I'm leaving the Denver Turnovers this summer. I carry this team every fucking game. The only reason we made it this far is because of me. Of course we get blown out. What do you think would have happened? But they expect me to drive offense and defense. Can't you see I look tired before the fucking game starts? I do more cardio than David Goggins out there. Yes, I played like dog shit today. I also stole all the baby oil from Diddy and used it for my hands. I looked like MPJ out there. But that's just because I'm tired of carrying these clowns. All these G League clowns depend on me. Apart from the fact that most of them are garbage, they also lazy as shit. Look at fucking MPJ. The clown has a $180 million contract, but I would not even let him play for free. That's how bad that motherfucker is. And don't get me started on SGA with his main character syndrome. He thinks because he plays on a young good team he is an MVP. Let's switch teams and see how he would disappear and look just like the rest of this trash can. Fuck this. I'm out of here. I'm gonna drink some beer in Cancun with Doncic.